Now I'm going to show you how to make some frost type text. And as we look here on our screen, we can see I've already selected a nice blue wintry background. All I did was fill this. I selected two colors here and I just rendered some clouds by going to Filter, Render Clouds. And you can do it a couple of times until you get the type that you want. So what we're going to do is I'm going to hit D to go back to my black and white like so. Let's type on my text here. And let's type in, this is going to be frost text, so let's type frost like so. Let's go ahead and hit enter. And let's size up my text like so. Skewing it around so it'll look really good. There we go. Now what we're going to do is let's do some layer styles. Let's go into a layer. Oops, let's hit enter first. Enter. Let's go to layer. Layer style. Let's go into blending options. See? Now we could have brought this up just by double clicking here. So what we're going to do is we're going to pause here and we'll pick this up in the next part.